something between the starboard prop shaft, and the port prop shaft. We're going to go ahead and go up the starboard prop shaft to where you can see what looks to be normal compared to the port shaft, which looks like it's not normal. Finish up cleaning, and I'll get my after videos, and I'll make sure to note that and send this video today.